So I've been waiting on this trade for quite some time. Now, SPX 500, when we're looking at this particular index, you guys can trade them on your Forex accounts if your broker has it. One of the best brokers that you can use for this is JAFX. So I'm going to go ahead and click this. I mean, you can see that we've had the first decline was about like anywhere from, let's say, 11% back in like January, February. When this fell back, we looked for buys and we bought, we took it right back up, and then it can finish back low. So what we're looking for now, is this the end? Is this where SPX 500 has finally gained momentum to go ahead and pass its previous high? Let's hope so. I really hope so. I've been waiting a long time for this. So looking at this, you can basically see that some point down here, the bulls were in power. Now we're rolling up on, I think, the end of June right now. So it's going to be July 1st coming up. Hopefully, we can get some momentum and have this moving average go from sideways to pointing up. Because right now, we're pretty much just trading sideways when it comes to, in terms of price. So with price bouncing, we could see a pretty nice bounce coming off of SPX 500 right now. This is going to be something I'm going to wait until like July 1st. If you go ahead and look at the daily time frame, you can see that yes, price has come down to these two moving averages, wicked hard. Now we may have some selling pressure back down to this level. If that does occur, we may look for another buy right here. But overall, I think that just based off of previous candles, 1, 2, 3, 4, all 4 times price came here, it's wicked. You can see it's wicked through this 9-day moving average the last 4 months. So I haven't seen a wick yet on SPX 500. Based off of seeing all this, I may want to go ahead and do 2 things. You can look for an entry come next month, maybe the first week of next month, or you can wait and see, hey, you know what, is it going to go bearish? Try to break through and head down to this moving average, or is it going to wick and then start going back up? At the end of the day, I just need this 26-day to start pointing up before I go ahead and do anything. But other than that, I mean, that's SPX 500.